A great accessory for trailering that we make here at TH Marine is our steer-stop steering locks, and basically all they do is clip onto your hydraulic steering to keep your motor from turning while trailering. These big engines, 4-strokes in particular, will tend to shift during trailering with riding on a rough highway. To install, click 1 on one side of the hydraulic steering, run it through, run the other through. The steer stops come in a pair. You want to place one on each side of the engine and you'll be safely locked into place.